Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Chemical Engineering Education. Today we are solving a real industrial crystallization problem step by step. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to calculate crystal yield, mother liquor composition and water evaporation in any crystallizer. Here is our scenario. We have a crystallizer producing salt crystal from the concentrated brine. Our feed is 2000 kg per hour of solution containing 25% sodium chloride at 75 degrees Celsius. We are cooling this down to 20 degrees Celsius to create crystal. The key data we need: at 75 degrees, salt solubility is 36 gram per 100 gram of water. At 20 degree, it drops to just 26 gram per 100 gram of water. This difference drives our crystallization. Now, step 1. Calculate our feed composition. Sodium chloride in feed equals 2000 kg per hour times 0.25, giving us 500 kg per hour of salt. Water in feed equals 2000 times into 0.75, so that is 1500 kg per hour water. Simple math, but this foundation is crucial for everything that follows. Now step 2. What happens at our final temperature 20 degrees? At 20 degrees, we can only dissolve 26 gram of salt per 100 gram of water. So our maximum NaCl in solution, that is equal to 1500 kg into 26 by 100. So that is 390 kg NaCl. This means 390 kg salt stay dissolved and rest must crystallize out. Step 3. Now for crystal yield calculation, we use simple salt balance. Salt in feed equals salt in crystal plus salt in mother liquor. 500 equals C plus 390. Therefore, C is equal to 500 minus 390, giving us 110 kg per hour crystal. This is our main product, means 110 kg per hour of pure sodium chloride crystal. That is step 4. Calculate the mother liquor flow rate. Mother liquor contains 39 kg of salt plus 1500 kg of water, giving us 1890 kg per hour total. The composition is 390 divided by 1890, which is equals 20.6 weight% sodium chloride. Now step 5. Check for water evaporation using overall balance. Feeds equal crystal plus mother liquor plus vapor. So feed is 2000, crystal is 110 plus mother liquor 1890 plus V. So here V is 0 kg per hour, means no water evaporation in this cooling crystallization. Step 6. Let's calculate our process performance. Crystal yield 110 divided by 500 times into 100 equals 22% of the feed salt is recovered as a crystal. Recover efficiency 110 kg of crystal per 2000 kg of feed, that is equal 5.5 weight% overall recovery. Now super saturation utilization, so 36 minus 26 by 36 into 100, so that is 27.8%. Now here is our complete solution. So crystal production, that is 110 kg per hour pure salt, mother liquor 1890 kg per hour at 20.6 salt concentration, water evaporation 0, this is a cooling process, crystal yield 22% of the feed salt recovered, overall recovery 5.5% of total feed become crystal. So this type of calculation is essential in salt production, pharmaceutical crystallization, sugar refining and mineral processing industry. The key takeaway: cooling crystallization works by reducing solubility, forcing excess solute to crystallize out, no water removal needed. If this help you understand crystallization mass balance, Hit that like button and subscribe for more chemical engineering solution. Also drop a comment with your own crystallization problem. I might solve them in future videos. That's it. Thank you.